Hi everyone, so today's problem of the day is words within two edits of dictionary. And what is given in description is you are given two string arrays, queries and dictionary. All words in each array comprise of lowercase English letters and have the same length. So queries and dictionary we will be given, and all the words in these both vectors will have the same length. In one edit, you can take a word from queries and change any letter in it to any other letter. Find all words from the queries that after a maximum of two edits equal some word from dictionary. So what is given is like if we will change any uh, like at most we can change two characters, and we need to make that word equals to any one word from the dictionary. And return a list of all words from queries. So queries में से we need to return the word जिसमें अगर अपन दो at most अगर दो कैरेक्टर चेंज करते हैं तो we are able to make it equals to any one word from the dictionary. So वो सारे अपन को words return करने हैं queries string के. And return the word in the same order they appear in queries. So like if we will get we are able to make two words equal like word or aunt, then we need to return it in order only. First we need to return word, then we need to return aunt. So what we will do in this question is like we will be given queries array of string, and we have given dictionary which is also the array of string. And what we need to find, we need to we will be giving us a number of string in queries, so we will take one string and we will try to make it equal to the dictionary, any one string from the dictionary, and we can change at least two characters, at most two character, maximum two character we can change. So what we will do, we will see with the help of this first example. The first example we have given word. So if in word we will try to compare it with all the string of dictionary like word, wood, joke, and moat. So we will compare this word with wood. So first character, if we will compare, WW is same, OO is same, it is O and it is R. So one is different. Then we will see it is D and D, it is same. So maximum one is different. So at most we can change two characters. So one also is like one we can change in this. So this we will include in our answer. And once we will find that this word is matching with any one string of from this dictionary array, then we can simply return that word. Like we can add that word in our answer. We don't need to go to the joke and this next string to compare this word, because we already, after changing one character, we got this word. So we don't need to go to the other. Now we will go to the note. So note we will first we will check it with wood. So W and N is different. So one is different. O is same. T and O. So this is two. And then D and E, then three. The maximum three characters are different. So we will not be able to add this in our answer. Then we will see for now. We are done with the wood. Then we will compare this note with joke. So note and joke में N and J 1, O and O is same, K and T then 2, E and E is same. So uh, uh, at least like at most two characters we are able to make it equals to joke, so we can add that also in our answer. Now we will move to aunts. A and A we will compare. So this is different to 1. N and O 2. T and O 3. And D and S 4. So this is greater than 2. So we will move to the next string. So now we will compare this aunt with joke. So A and J 1, N and O 2, T and K, this is also different 3. Then E and S, this is different 4. This is 4 is also greater than 2. So we will move to the next string. Now N and M 1, O and O is same, T and A, this is 2, this is different, and E and T compared 3. So this is also greater than 2, so we will not include this in our answer. And we move out of the array. So we didn't get any, we are not able to make this aren't equals to any one string of this dictionary. So we will not push this in our answer. And now we will move to wood. Wood and wood, it is correctly matching. So we will directly put this in our answer and then we can return. So this is our answer. Now if I will go to the second example, yes. Now yes, I will try to compare with this not. So Y and N, one is different. E and O, two characters are different. S and T, three characters. Three is greater than two, and maximum we can change two character only. So we are not able to make this equals to this dictionary word by making at most two characters change. So we will not be able to add this in our answer. So since there are not any words after that, so we can simply return empty array. So yeah, and constraint, if we will see, constraint is queries dot length start from 1 to 10 will maximum go till 100, and queries I dot length will start from n, and like queries के जो words होंगे, जो string होंगी अपनी, उनकी length n होगी, जो queries और dictionary में जो strings होंगे, and queries और dictionary की length भी n ही होगी, and n start from 1 to 100. Now, if we will go to the solution, what we have done, we have done this with the help of brute force approach only, because this, if you will see this, this is 10 to the power 2. This is like we can make our solution till 10 to the power of n to the power 4 time complexity. So we can try it with brute force approach only. सो अपन ने क्या किया कि सबसे पहले n डिक्लेयर किया, n is queries dot size, m is dictionary dot size, and vector string answer. Now we will make one loop for this queries, and for every queries का जो string होगा, every string of this queries, we will try to compare it with dictionary. So j equals to 0 to n m, and what we are declaring this ch is comparing ki how many characters are different. So we will move from first index to this length of queries I dot length tak jayenge, and we will compare every characters. If it is different to queries character is different to dictionary character, then we can increase c plus plus, and if c ka jo length aayega, if it is less than 2, then we can push it in our answer, and if we got the answer, then we can break the loop, then we will move to the next query string, and at the end we can return our answer. If we will see the time complexity, in this case it is n into m into k, and we already see that's n and m and k is 10 to the power 2 each. So maximum complexity will go till 10 to the power 6, which is less than 10 to the power 8. That's why we are able to solve this with the help of brute force approach. If we will see the space complexity, to space complexity is big of n, because we have declared this this answer vector. So yeah, thank you.